Welcome to Beyond Best Places, where we take you to the heart of amazing destinations. Remember, travel farther, experience more. Nestled off the northwest coast of Africa, these islands are a vibrant blend of Spanish culture and unspoiled natural beauty. Each island, from the bustling streets of Tenerife to the serene landscapes of Lanzarote, offers a unique adventure and an escape into an exotic paradise. Renowned for their volcanic origins, the Canary Islands boast dramatic cliffs, lush forests, and beaches that range from black volcanic sands to shimmering white shores. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more captivating travel content. Join us as we uncover the treasures of the Canary Islands, Spain's Atlantic wonders, beckoning travelers from around the globe. Geographical Overview. The Canary Islands, a picturesque archipelago, lie off the northwest coast of Africa, basking in the vastness of the Atlantic Ocean. This Spanish territory consists of 7 major islands: Tenerife, Fuerteventura, Gran Canaria, Lanzarote, La Palma, La Gomera, and El Hierro, along with several smaller islets, each with its own unique geography and character. Tenerife, the largest island, serves as a cultural and economic hub, housing around 43% of the archipelago's population within its 2,034 square kilometers. Strategically positioned near the African continent, these islands are shaped by their volcanic origins, boasting rugged terrains, soaring peaks, and fertile valleys. Mount Teide, the highest point in Spain, towers over Tenerife, while Lanzarote showcases surreal volcanic landscapes at Timanfaya National Park. The proximity to Africa lends the islands a mild subtropical climate, making them a year-round paradise for tourists and nature enthusiasts alike. Historical significance. The Canary Islands have a rich and varied history, with evidence of ancient civilizations dating back thousands of years. Before the Spanish conquest in the 15th century, the islands were inhabited by the Guanches, a native people with their own distinct culture and traditions. The strategic importance of the Canary Islands became evident during the Age of Exploration, as they served as a crucial stopover for European explorers en route to the New World. Notably, Christopher Columbus made a stop in Gran Canaria in 1492 on his way to discovering the Americas. The island's history is a tapestry of influences from various cultures, including the Arabs, Portuguese, and French, who all left their mark on this archipelago before it became a part of Spain. Today, the rich historical tapestry of the Canary Islands is visible in its architecture, traditions, and cultural festivals, natural beauty, and landscapes. The Canary Islands are a showcase of nature's artistry, celebrated for their breathtaking volcanic landscapes and lush, diverse ecosystems. These islands, born from volcanic activity, offer a stunning array of natural features that captivate visitors. Tenerife, home to the majestic Mount Teide, boasts the highest peak in Spain within its renowned Teide National Park. This park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is famous for its moon-like terrain and offers trails that meander through ancient lava flows and rugged craters. Lanzarote, known as the Island of 100 Volcanoes, presents a stark beauty with its raw, Martian-like landscapes, particularly in Timanfaya National Park. Here, the Earth's power is palpable, with geysers and lava fields that stretch to the horizon, providing a stark contrast to the island's vine-draped wineries, which utilize volcanic ash to cultivate unique varietals. Climate and weather. The Canary Islands are blessed with a unique subtropical climate that attracts visitors year-round. Known affectionately as the Islands of Eternal Spring, the archipelago enjoys mild temperatures, rarely straying far from the ideal range of 18 degrees Celsius, 64 degrees Fahrenheit, in the winter to 24 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Fahrenheit, in the summer. This pleasant climate is largely due to the Canary Current and the trade winds, which moderate temperatures and provide a refreshing breeze across the islands. Each island, however, experiences slight variations in climate, influenced by its geography and proximity to the African coast. The eastern islands like Lanzarote and Fuerteventura are typically warmer and drier, their landscapes shaped by their closeness to the Sahara Desert, which also introduces occasional calima winds. These winds can carry sand and dust, temporarily raising temperatures and reducing visibility. Conversely, the western islands, including La Palma and El Hierro, benefit from their more elevated and rugged terrains, which capture moisture and foster lush, verdant landscapes. These islands receive more rainfall and are known for their rich, diverse ecosystems that thrive in cooler, more humid conditions. Flora and fauna. The Canary Islands are a biodiversity hotspot, home to a unique array of flora and fauna that contribute to the archipelago's vibrant natural landscape. The island's isolation and varied climates have fostered the evolution of many species that are endemic to the region, making it a fascinating destination for nature enthusiasts. Flora in the Canary Islands varies dramatically from one island to another, reflecting the island's diverse microclimates. Tenerife and La Palma, for instance, boast lush laurisilva forests, ancient woodlands that date back to the Tertiary period. These misty, moss-laden forests are remnants of the vegetation that once covered much of southern Europe and North Africa. In contrast, arid areas, particularly on Lanzarote and Fuerteventura, showcase hardy succulents and cacti, which have adapted to thrive in the harsh, dry conditions. Fauna on the islands is equally remarkable. The archipelago hosts a variety of bird species, including the emblematic blue chaffinch of Tenerife and the laurel pigeon, found predominantly in the laurel forests. The surrounding seas are rich with marine life. Dolphins and whales are commonly sighted, making the Canary Islands a popular spot for whale watching. Cultural heritage. The cultural heritage of the Canary Islands is a vibrant blend of indigenous traditions and Spanish influences. One of the most famous cultural events is the Carnival of Santa Cruz de Tenerife, which is the second largest carnival in the world after Rio de Janeiro. This colorful festival features elaborate costumes, parades, music, and dancing, attracting visitors from all over the globe. Another unique aspect of Canarian culture is the Silbo Gomero, a whistling language used by the inhabitants of La Gomera to communicate across the island's deep ravines. This ancient form of communication has been recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity. The islands also have a rich culinary tradition, with local dishes such as papas arrugadas, wrinkled potatoes, served with mojo sauce, and fresh seafood being staples of the Canarian diet. The cultural heritage of the Canary Islands is a reflection of their diverse history and the fusion of various cultural influences over the centuries. Tourism and recreation. Tourism is a major industry in the Canary Islands, with millions of visitors flocking to the archipelago each year. The islands offer a wide range of attractions and activities to suit all tastes. Beach lovers can enjoy the pristine sands and crystal-clear waters of beaches such as Playa de las Americas in Tenerife and Playa de Papagayo in Lanzarote. For those seeking adventure, the islands offer numerous hiking trails, including the challenging routes up Mount Teide, and through the lush forests of La Palma. Water sports enthusiasts can indulge in activities such as surfing, windsurfing, and diving, with some of the best spots located in Fuerteventura and Gran Canaria. The Canary Islands are also known for their excellent stargazing opportunities, particularly in La Palma, which has been designated a starlight reserve due to its clear skies and minimal light pollution. Additionally, the islands boast world-class attractions such as Siam Park, a Thai-themed water park in Tenerife, and Loro Parque, a zoo and marine park also in Tenerife. The diverse range of recreational activities makes the Canary Islands a perfect destination for all types of travelers. Conservation efforts. The Canary Islands are committed to preserving their natural environment and cultural heritage through various conservation initiatives. Several areas in the archipelago have been designated as UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the Teide National Park, Garahonai National Park, and the historic town of San Cristobal de la Laguna in Tenerife. These sites are protected to ensure their preservation for future generations. Additionally, the islands have implemented measures to protect their unique wildlife, such as the creation of marine reserves to safeguard the habitats of dolphins, whales, and sea turtles. El Hierro, one of the smaller islands, has gone a step further by becoming the world's first self-sufficient island, relying entirely on renewable energy sources such as wind and hydropower. The Canary Islands' commitment to conservation is evident in their efforts to balance tourism development with environmental sustainability. Visitors to the islands are encouraged to respect the natural environment and support local conservation initiatives to help protect this unique and beautiful part of the world. The Canary Islands are a captivating destination that offers a unique blend of natural beauty, rich history, vibrant culture, and a wide range of recreational activities. From the dramatic volcanic landscapes of Tenerife and Lanzarote to the lush forests of La Palma and the pristine beaches of Fuerteventura, the islands have something to offer every traveler. The favorable subtropical climate makes them a year-round destination, while the rich biodiversity and unique cultural heritage add to their charm. Whether you're looking to relax on a sun-soaked beach, explore ancient forests, or immerse yourself in the local culture, the Canary Islands are a paradise waiting to be discovered. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey. Until next time, keep exploring with Beyond Best Places. Remember, travel farther, experience more.